Welcome to another Daniel Jewelry Inc. review. Today I have the infamous 12mm Miami Cuban link bracelet. It is 14 karat gold, 7.5 inches, and it's just the perfect bracelet. I say this for every bracelet, but this one right here is just really perfect, and I'll tell you why. You guys seen my other videos. I had the 8mm, the 10mm, and the 14mm. This is in between the 10 and the 14. You know, I didn't want to go back to the 14 because one, it was really expensive, but two, it was just too girthy. And I couldn't really have it as an everyday chain, all right? I couldn't run with it. I always had to worry about it banging it on something. And I wanted to go back to the 10mm, right? But I was like, once you go big, you can't go back small. But I don't want something too big. And then I was like, you know what? Let me try the 12mm, and it was perfect. In between the 10, in between the 14, it has the girth, but it's just not too big, you know? So we're gonna weigh it real quick. First, we're gonna do a hang test. Hang straight like always, Daniel, master craftsman. All right, now we're going to weigh it. Oh, it's on pounds. Put it to grams. But again, an awesome size. Still catches people's eyes. There we go. Oh. There we go. Uh, 84 grams. All right. And as always, I'm gonna show it on the wrist. And when putting on a bracelet, you always want this side here, so it's easier to put it on. There we go. Now we're gonna go outside. Okay. Let's go outside. Show it in the shade. Awesome look. All right. Show it in the sun. Ooh, that boy glistening. Again, 7.5 inches. Well, I have a 7-inch and a quarter wrist. You can see there's still space. Show the gap. You see that space? 7.5 inches. I have a, somewhat of a small wrist. So 7.5 inches is pretty long for me. But as you can see, still has that girth, but just not too big. Go back in the shade real quick. It's nice. It's nice. Okay. Let me just take it off one more time. Show you the 14 karat. Oh. Show you the click again. Oops. Hold on. There we go. It's nice. It's nice. And all right, that's the 12mm Miami Cuban link bracelet review from Daniel Jewelry Inc.